Work hard. Oh, I need to stay here small. Work hard. Now, the first thing I wrote here might seem very controversial because I'm saying work hard, and the first thing on the list is work smart. Hey, no. There are two different things, For those of you who are very, very eloquent, you cannot say work hard and then you say work smart, because if you work smart, you don't have to work hard. Who told you? Smart work is hard work. Listen, guys, let me tell you now. Let me break that bubble. Smart work is hard work. You don't work smart just like that. People that work smart have committed to coming up with solutions out of hard work, hard thinking, hard research, hard partnerships. So smart work is hard work. And if you work smart enough, you make the hard work easier. But it's still hard work. Are you following me now? So one of the ways to work hard is to walk when you walk. Come on, say walk when you walk. Many of you, when you walk, you do many things. You need to commit to walking every time you are walking. If you don't want to walk back, go and watch Netflix. All this, I can multitask. And you're watching Arsenal. Hey! If you want to watch Arsenal, watch Arsenal. If this work is what you want to do, work. Work every time you work. Because that way, you even work shorter. And you deliver faster. Because you are working every time you're working. Enjoy your work. Work with high standards is something I've dealt with already, right? You're working for yourself, you rate yourself, and you work with high standards. But you need to learn to enjoy your work. Because this complaint you're complaining every night is not helping you. You go to the job, and then every time your fiancé calls you, you spend 2 hours to tell your fiancé how bad your job is or how bad your work is. Because some of you, what you're doing is even your own business. You are selling rice or you are selling shoes. Say, this shoe business bad. It's too bad. This country, people don't appreciate good things. And you spend the next 2 hours telling me why your work is terrible. And every time you do that, you deplete your energy. So you need to learn to enjoy whatever you are doing now. And then you need to learn to work well with others. You may be good at what you do, but you can never achieve too much alone, however good you are. So if every time we call your name, people run away, there's a problem. You are good, but nobody wants to work with you. There's a problem. Because that person may be your colleague today, tomorrow may need to be your partner tomorrow. And you have destroyed that possibility because you are too good to respect others. That's your problem.